Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you are starting college this year, first of all congratulations. You're gonna have the most beautifully chaotic time of your life. There's going to be a lot of highs, there's going to be a lot of lows, but it's going to be the most memorable time of your life, so I hope you make the most of it. On to the video. In this video I'm going to share with you guys some makeup products that I think are essential for college going girls. Some of these are optional, so you can use them, you can skip them, but others I think are pretty much essential if you are starting college and you want to buy some makeup but you don't know what to buy, which brand to choose from, which ones are the affordable ones, etc, etc. Then I hope this video answers all your queries and helps you out. So let's get started and let me show you guys the products. So starting off with the base, now I don't mind a BB cream, but I actually prefer liquid foundation over a BB cream because it gives you a more opaque coverage that also protects you from the sun, which is why I would recommend using a foundation. And I have the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is also my favorite foundation because it is really great for oily skin, especially during summers, and it comes in a little tube like this, which is only for 300, so it's really affordable. It's got extensive shade range and the coverage is light to medium, which is very buildable. So if you have like acne scars and stuff, you can build this up without it looking cakey, and you can use your fingers to use with this. You don't need any tools, really. The next makeup essential that every college girl must have is a compact, and I cannot stress enough how important it is to actually use a compact. Like, it doesn't matter if you don't use any other base product, you don't have to use a foundation, you don't have to use a BB cream, but please use a compact because it really is a lifesaver and should be in every girl's backpack. It basically helps control your sebum and your shine, like especially during summers your face looks like a greasy ball. It will help control that. It will make your skin look really smooth and air finished, and also give you a decent bit of coverage, like very slight, but a slight coverage is always desirable than no coverage. So a compact should be your best friend for college, all throughout your college, all throughout your life, but especially for college. So now the product recommendation that I have for you guys is this one by Elle. Elle, as you guys know, is a very affordable brand. It's, I think, made for college going girls. This one is no exception. It's only for 100 bucks. In fact, I got it for 85 because of some discount, and the product itself is a really decent product. It when you use it, it gives a very silky film on the skin, like a very smooth silky film on the skin, and it controls shine for a decent amount of time. Of course, you need to keep reapplying it every like 1.5 to 2 hours, but overall at its price it is a really good product, and it also smells amazing, like literally amazing. So this is a really good product, and if you're looking for a good compact, Elle is something that you can try out. Talk about the eyes and recommend some eye makeup essentials. So starting off with the brows, I think it's very easy to give you guys an eyebrow mascara and ask you to use it, but if you have like thin eyebrows, then I think an eyebrow pencil is more appropriate, which is why I'm going to give you guys the option of the Drawing Eyebrow by Etude House. Yes, it is available on Nykaa, and I think this is under 300 if I'm not wrong. It comes in 3 to 4 shades, has like a spoolie on one end, and of course the pencil on the other. It's like slightly slanted, so it helps drawing out the front part really well, and the color also matches. The color that I have is called black brown, and it really matches with my eyebrow, looks natural. Just don't go overboard with it, use it very lightly and you'll be really okay with it. But for eyebrows, I think an eyebrow pencil is a must. this next product is actually optional because I don't think in college you need to do eye makeup, like use eyeshadows, but if you still want to and if that's your preference, then I think cream eyeshadows work really well as opposed to matte eyeshadows, because you can use them with your hands. You don't need tools, you just need to like use a little bit of it, like blend it a little in your eyes, and it looks decent. So I have this cream eyeshadow by Wet n Wild. It's in the shade called Nudecomer. It's this light pink color that I have on my lids, which is perfect for college because you don't really want to use a lot of funky colors. I think nude colors would work best for college for that natural makeup look. So this is my recommendation, and it's also really affordable. It's I think for 150 or maybe under 200. I'll have all the links, I'm not exactly sure, but if you want to use eyeshadow, then I think this is a product that you can try out. Now I'm going to skip kajal because I'm sure you already have one. It's very basic. You have Maybelline, you have Lakme, you have so many other options that are all like really affordable. So I'm going to skip kajal and move on to the next essential makeup item, and that is a mascara. Now I think a mascara is really essential because it opens up your lashes, like makes your eyes look big, makes your lashes look really longer and darker and thicker almost, and it just adds like a little something to your looks. Even if you do not wear kajal or eyeliner or anything, just a mascara would add a little something extra to your look and make you look a little more put together. So a mascara is an essential, and as you guys know, Maybelline makes really great mascaras. Like they have the mascara game on point. So the one that I'm going to recommend is Total Temptation. They also have other great mascaras like the Falsies, the Colossal one. All the other mascaras are really good, but this is the one that I'm currently using. It really lengthens the lashes, makes them thicker, but I find that it lengthens them more than it thickens them. So this is the mascara that I am going to prefer, and it's for 500, so it's still kind of affordable, and yeah, this is the one that I recommend. This next makeup product I don't feel like is an essential, but I'm afraid if I don't include it, millennial college girls are gonna come for me. So I'm going to include it, and that is a highlighter. I know millennials love it, I know makeup lovers love it. Somehow I don't, but everyone around me seems to love a highlighter. So this is the Baking Highlight by Incolor. Incolor is again a decent brand. It makes decent products at a decent price, so you can check the brand out. This product is in the shade number 1 High Beam. It's got a very big pan and it's not very costly. I think it's for like 300. So at a price for 300, I think you're getting like a big pan. It's going to last you for years. The color that I have picked is like this slightly off-white golden sheen to it. I'm going to use it on my hand so you can also see. So this is what the highlighter looks like. It's very reflective, but just use it sparingly because you're going to college, and I don't want you to look like a disco ball for college. But if you like highlighters, then I think Incolor highlighters are a good option. Most essential makeup product is a good lip product. Now there are different types of lip products. You have liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, crayons, soft matte lip creams, and just so many other different formulas and different products. But for college, I feel, because I generally associate college with like really natural and no makeup look kind of a makeup. So for those kind of looks, I feel like lip tints would work best because they are really natural. They are literally tints, so they are going to last for a really long time. I have had this for 2 hours now, and so far it still looks really pigmented on my lips, and they are really hydrating as well, so you won't have to sacrifice your lips for a good color. You can have moisturizing plump lips that are really pigmented as well. So the color that I have picked for a lip tint is this Dear Darling lip tint. This is in the shade RD307, which is a very watermelony red. It's a very fresh summery color, perfect for young girls, I feel. So I picked this one for college, but you can pick any other color you want. You can pick an orange, pink, a deep maroon if you want for college. But I really think this is a good way for college, which is why I'm recommending this. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. And this also concludes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.